Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find your OnePlus Nord N30 when you lost it somewhere in the room and you can't identify where it is. And to help us with that, we'll be using a Google Assistant, and then we need to set it up for the lock screen and also the voice match. And one last thing is to have a volume up on your phone, otherwise this won't work. Now, you need to ask your Google to play a song or simply question, "Where are you?" And that way your phone will make a sound and it will be easy to identify where it is. So let's try that. Hey Google, where are you?
I'm stuck inside a device. Help. Just kidding. I like it in here.
Your phone will make a sound and it will be easy to identify where you left your phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.